Too close, yeah. You good? Oh, okay. All right, get up, hon.
I tried as much as possible to take a video of us coming in.
You did?
A bit, yeah.
Hey, how you doing? How are you?
Guys, this is deck number 3 for your bike.
Okay.
Your parked on deck 3. Do you guys get a cabin, general seating?
No, we're just gonna take the
General?
Yeah, just the general.
Okay, we have general seating on deck 7 for you.
Okay.
The restaurant gives chocolate bars on deck 7.
Deck 7.
Yeah. So
Okay.
you can strap your bikes in. We have straps along the wall here. So you have to strap your bikes in.
Oh.
So there's one up here. We do have some more along the wall.
So there's one up here.
And the elevator stairs back to the road.
Okay.
Right back to the road.
Upstairs?
Yes, elevator or stairs. I've never either, so he has those definitely with downtown.
Oh, I think I know how to do it. It's just the standard reach.
Yeah, we do have more further along the walls.
All right.
I'm not sure who else can double make it.
All right, thank you.
That's heavy.
They're just winches. So they got
Hey. So we have to strap our bikes, all the bikes. How do you do that? Oh, so he does it like over. He does it over the.
Don't look at us. We don't know what we're doing.
Oh,
Is
yeah.
your first
This
time?
is my first time too, so I strapped it up and just shook the heck out of it.
Oh wow!
Yeah, I don't know about this thing. Oh, there it is.
So
Oh, I know how it works, huh?
no, I'm just trying to think. I need a laptop first. Do you need anything from me?
Nope.
I'm gonna change my shoes.
Your shoes in here?
Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna change my shoes and. Huh?
Huh?
What did you say?
Oh, I didn't even know you're videoing me.
Yeah.
I'm changing my shoes.
Yeah. We're changing our shoes. We're gonna get our stuff. So we'll talk to you soon. We're just getting everything ready. We're changing our shoes. bring our laptop, then we're gonna go above on upper level, and then we'll let you know what happens next. Okay, ciao.